This is the student registration help video for students who already have an account.
The first thing you need to do is go to firstinspires.org.
Press Login in the top right. Log in to your account. After logging in, go to the dashboard.
In the top left, click Apply to a Team. Here you will be prompted to input your school, current grade, and if you are eligible for free or reduced lunch. After selecting school, another drop-down menu will appear, asking you to select which public or private school you are in.
Please select which school you go to.
After filling out this information, the next page will ask you to select which program you are a part of.
Choose which program you are participating in.
After selecting your program, please input the number for your school. After entering your team number, information about your team will appear below it. Click Apply. You have successfully applied to your team and you are done with the registration process.